Welcome to the future of business management. This is Signeesti, a clinical, mobile-first ecosystem designed to take your professional workflow from chaotic to complete. On your main dashboard, you have a bird's-eye view of your entire business, active proposals, pending signatures, and upcoming deadlines, all in one modern interface. Let's start with growth. Drafting a proposal shouldn't be a bottleneck. With our proposal engine, you can build high-end business terms in seconds. Add detailed descriptions, set your investment tiers, and attach supporting documents or media directly from your device. It's about looking professional, even when you're on the move. Closing the deal is about removing friction. Once your proposal is ready, share it your way. Generate a secure link for WhatsApp, send via Gmail, or use a unique QR code for instant in-person signing. The best part? Your clients sign directly in their browser. No app downloads, no account creation, 100% barrier removal for your customers. When it's time to sign, Signeesti ensures total security. Whether it's a hand-drawn or typed signature, every execution is legally binding. But we go further. Every document is backed by a verified audit trail and trust certificate, providing time-stamped proof of every action taken. It's the deal done moment you can trust. Business is about ongoing commitments. Our contract management module tracks the entire life cycle of your agreements. Categorize your contracts, set effective dates, and let our intelligent reminder system alert you 7 or 14 days before an expiry. With a live countdown of days remaining, you'll never let a critical renewal slip through the cracks again. Staying compliant shouldn't require a degree in accounting. Signeesti includes a dedicated VAT tracking system. Log your turnover entries, monitor your progress toward threshold limits, and maintain a clinical record of your financial standing. It's professional-grade compliance, simplified for the modern entrepreneur. Signeesti is more than an app. It's the digital backbone of your business. From the first proposal to the final renewal, we've engineered every step to be fast, secure, and clinical. Transform your business today. Download Signeesti on the Google Play Store.